new site, new server, a whole new system, is we're going to get rid of the past. And it'll say that in a message tomorrow in order to forget about the past of what happened with those guys that stole NSN originally 5 years ago. I want to put this in the past and have a whole new, fresh start. New name. We're going to let go NSN. Uh, I, it's every time I mention NSN or Nice Guys Network, it just brings the hairs rises on my back neck. I'm sick and tired of it because of what these guys did to us. So having a whole new, brand new site, I choose the name nightskies.org, not .com. .com is commercial. .org is for organization. And what I'm trying to create here is a site where people could actually use freely with all kinds of cameras. Well, not all kinds of cameras, but it's going to be live and it's going to be shared with the whole world. And I like the name because it's short. Typing these guys that word, blah, 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 man, it took forever. When I type, I use the method of search and destroy. That's it on the keyboard. Search and destroys. And typing this is too long. Myskies.org, quick, simple, short, and it works really good. And it represents what it is. It's live sky. The sky is live. It's and we're using telescope to view. So I said to myself, that would be awesome. Yeah, but they use sky as SKY. You don't use skies. Yeah, this is 3 seconds at bidding one. Here's the actual size. I could turn up the gain, obviously. I think that'll work. Yeah, just turn up the gain. You're going to see that in 4 seconds. Actually, I could put the gain all the way up, I think. Holy smoke, is that ever nice. Wow. Okay, I really like what I'm looking at here. The gain's all the way up, and it's 3 seconds. So I think we're doing okay with that. But anyways, I'm going to come back to the name about it. There's a few sites that have different names for different functions. There's even programs that's called Live Sky, but not liveskies.org, org's organization. If you notice on the site, I remove all the name of the companies. I don't want nobody to know anything about it other than this site is ready to go. There will be a donation button at the bottom through PayPal. And this is to help the cost. Guys, I've it has cost an incredible amount of money to get this done, but I think it's worth it. It's money well placed for everyone to use around the world to do live broadcasts. Imaging is a lot of fun, but when you start broadcasting, man, is that ever fun. In fact, it's addictive. So upcoming features is going to be we're going to get to record what we're broadcasting. And the recorder is going to be set up later. Right now, what I want to do is just release the site to shut those other guys up and put everything behind us of what happened 5 years ago. I really, really need to do this and clear my conscience with this about these guys. They still send me nasty emails, and I could live with that. But I'm going to choose to forgive and forget and carry on. And with the new name, the new site, that's the way it's going to be. Right now, I'm using only the Universe Focal Reducer. Now, don't forget, this is a big chip, and it has a lot of megapixels, so the vignetting is to be expected. I agree. Jack, I totally agree with you on that. A lot of facilities are going with that. I don't know if they're using the same system as we're having, but this is our own private system. It doesn't use Yahoo. It doesn't use anything. And I'm really, really, really happy about this. Here's this part, something I didn't expect. I asked the programmers to accept basically just about any input, including frame grabbers. Well, I've been testing for the past few days the frame grabber at work for those who have exterminators and extreme and junior pros. When you use the frame grabber, it plugs directly to the site. You don't need SplitCam, you don't need a third-party software. It connects directly to the site, and the image is to die for. What you see on your screen live while you view is what you're going to see being broadcasted. It's unbelievable. I can't wait to try that actually. So I think you people are going to really like this. So it's going to be very versatile, and yes, it does. It catches the directional directly. You got it. Yes. Thank you, Michael, for explaining this. Okay, well, he said he's going to call. He wasn't too sure if he had to go through me or you, and I said, well, to go through you. So he's going to get a hold of you sooner or later, either on the phone or through email there, Jack. Just keep an eye out. This guy's a nice guy. It's a professional outfit. It's a university in Ohio, I think it is. He called today, so he was really happy. He wanted the universe, and I said, no, go to the SNCPEC. That's what you need. And he asked me why. I said, because Lowell Observatory is using it on their Planeway 17N. So it says, oh, okay. Yeah, I think you're going to have fun with this guy. He's right up your league, Jack. Of course, with Michael Besser around and numbnuts working on the bench, it's not the best environment for me to talk to these guys. I also got a call from Brian Straker yesterday. We had a good conversation on the phone. It was really nice. Oh, no, Michael's here. Hey. Yeah, Michael was over today. I had to remove a piece of dust inside of his camera. That was an easy fix, and fill it up with argon gas again. So, and I thought he would leave, but he did. Stuck around like a mosquito, bugging you. Yeah, good times. Forward, they were laugh. Yes. So, okay, guys, I want to know your opinion. Do you think the site would be ready to release tomorrow? It's the beginning. There's going to be more features like recording and things like that will be added to it. Yes, indeed. For me, for example, the image is going to show directly. I use a Stefan software to control the camera, and I can do that no problem. But if you want to capture Stefan software with an image, then you got to use SplitCam. I would rather broadcast the image live and never mind the software, because man, is it ever nice and clear. Okay, Bob, if I got your approval, this is important because I know you're a user of that. And I'm really honored that you use this site and you're going to be using this site. I just can't wait. Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, you can broadcast now, but it'll be official tomorrow because nobody knows about it yet, Bob. I haven't told anybody except who's on the email I sent this morning about it, and I wanted to test that out tonight, obviously, and I think it's gonna work out really, really good. There's a few bugs to fix, like the viewers online. I'll be able to get a hold of them next week to fix that. It's not a big, how can I say, it's not a big issue. You can broadcast now if you want to try it out. Yeah, there's a delay when we type messages, I notice. I know at work is a hell of a delay. But yeah, if you refresh, when you refresh the page, I would suggest to use, what is this called here? This software here, Google Chrome. So far, personally, I had better luck with that. My Windows version is 2004, so that's what I'm using, and it seems to be good. I would have liked to release that tomorrow because it happens to be the first. If it's not tomorrow, we're going to have to wait on the 15th or something like that. It'd be nice. Yeah, Edge is good, actually. I tried it in the house, Jack, and surprisingly, it was really, really good. Okay, Edge too did work good in the house. When I tried it earlier to view, and you're right. I didn't try to use it for broadcast, so whatever uses the least amount of resources is pretty well what we need. But man, that image is clear. Yeah, that's 33% of full resolution, full 26, that's 25, and that's 20. Oh man, it's very nice. Wow. Yes, that's what, shoot, I just read the, that's what I read actually. Um, Michael, the Waterloo Observatory, I have read that somewhere. Let me do a quick focus here. I like to go to another object. I'm going to lower the exposure. So I got a quick refresh. My tracking error shows a lot less on a big chip like that, or megapixel. So that's something I'm really happy with the 16-inch. Man, this camera's addictive. Jack, this thing's addictive. I like the 432. That's my champion, but damn, this thing looks good. Oh man, I like the resolution I'm getting out of it. And the image sharpness. Yeah, I'm trying to focus here, so bear with me for a moment. There you go. Okay. I'm going to go 5-second exposure. This is binning 1. Wow, 5-second exposure, full game, binning 1. Look at the back. Oh, I don't have the cooler on, by the way. I don't think so. No, the cooler's off. Look at that. Oh, that's right. I get to show you now because you do get to see what I see on the screen. Can you read that about the TEC, Jack and Jeff and Bob and Michael Vasseur and Gatineau, Quebec, separatist country? Okay, good. So the cooler is off. I'm going to leave it off. It's just a question of testing for me here. Wow. Let's go 20%. Wow. Oh, you know what I like about this is the color. The background is beautiful, and the stars are white, nearly blue white, the way it should be. So the color retention is perfect on this camera. Wow. Holy crap, is that ever nice? Yes, it is my blue sky. I love it. Jeff, I just love it. I get so happy when I get something that works so well. Better than my expectation, better than the testing, better than all kinds of stuff. And when you see it live here on the screen, oh man, is that ever nice. It's simply because on the 16-inch that I have, my LX200, I got 2 of those. Nearly 3, 2.5. Michael, I owe you money on this, and I put that money towards the site, but I'm going to pay you, don't worry. The tracking is good and everything, but I need a big chip. The light cone coming out of that scope is huge. And I need a camera that has a big chip for the telescope to perform really, really good as far as tracking is concerned. It's more forgiving using a big chip. Yeah, I'd be curious, but here's something I'm really impressed, and I did not get this resolved at point mount with the 10-inch. Is using binning 1 and the amount of sensitivity I'm getting. I did not go into the histogram. It's actually default. Holy smokes. I don't need to increase it. So the sensitivity does rival the DSN and then some. Here, I'm gonna touch up the histogram here a little bit. Oh man, look at that. What I like is within 4 seconds, you guys are seeing the changes. Yeah, refresh. Refresh. Oh. First time for you. Holy mola. Ouch. Okay, I gotta go on the other side, move to another tournament. I'll be right back. Hang on, guys. This is too nice. Oh. Not only we're having a good sight tonight, but man, the performance of this camera is the first time I put it on. I think tomorrow night, if it's clear, it'll be a good time to tell people about the site, and we're gonna be testing the 26 like this one here. I sent them an email and they haven't replied, and the network came on live so I could talk to them. So I'm planning to get a hold of them by the net and shake them up a bit because I really need their services. So I would be very happy to get TechSavvy to come and install cable and stuff on the street just for me. I'd be very happy. I'm really gonna need high-speed internet. Okay, give me a sec, guys. I'm gonna go on the other side, swing the scope around, and I'll be right back. Oh, I love this. This is so cool. Way cool. Okay, I'm back. Let me swing that a little bit. The middle, there you go. Okay, come on. I know it's the same object, guys, but these are my test object. All right, now we're gonna need more horsepower, obviously. I think bending or digital histogram will be needed here. We could probably increase that. I'm just gonna keep this at 5 seconds. Bring it up to 150 here. Oh yeah, oh man, look at those stars. They look like diamonds glistering. Holy crap. Okay, I could do that and use the stacking to get rid of the noise, but I won't. So what I'm going to do is put back default digital binning, and let's bring this up to digital binning 2. Oh crap, look at this. Yeah, that's, I'd say that's good. Is my audio still working? Hope so. Okay, never mind those line that you're seeing. It's an issue with the power supply. I'm gonna bring down the gain. The gain's too high. Obviously, I got light pollution, as you could tell, the background. Refresh. And video screen, no sound. Refresh the page. Am I still broadcasting? Yep. That was your, what do you call that? Browser. Here is a circle. Here's a circle. So Jeff and Michael, we got no. Okay, thank you for the confirmation. I just need to know that for sure. Okay, just moving the scope a bit. Okay, this is well centered, good enough. I want to try something else here. We're going to lower the gain. I'm going to keep everything at 5 seconds. Too much gain is too much noise, obviously, so, which is normal. I gotta go to 3x3 binning. This camera is versatile. That's what it does. So I'll get to bring down the gain even more. Or maybe the actual exposure. I'll put the gain halfway, about 50, 52. And let me bring down the exposure to about 3.4 seconds. Okay, Jack, thank you for confirming as well. Oh, I'd love to try to scope the camera on FN. Okay, sounds good. Bob, okay. I'm glad at least you got the voice. Can you guys see the image? I didn't touch anything as far as the broadcast is concerned. Yeah, sometimes close the browser and you turn it on. Okay, Jack, thank you for confirming. Sounds good. All right, Matt, you may have to refresh again. I think it might be internet connectivity. Like anything's possible. This is HTML5. There's a lot of data running through, especially coming from this area, which is DSL. Might as well say dial-up. So you can actually see the countdown. Okay, 3.4 seconds. Yes. Wow, Jack, I'm really impressed. If you could read that small writing at the bottom, this is nice. This is very, very nice. Hey, the mosquitoes here are unbelievable tonight, folks. Okay, what do I have? Is it 2 or 3? I think it's 3. Yeah, this is 3. Oh, maybe we should go to 4. There you go. Let's resize the window. That's 4. And we are going to have to lower the gain for sure. Not to 25, so it's quarter open. Ooh, not bad. Not at all. That's Benning 4. Very nice. I wonder if a different browser would cause the same issue with you guys. I wonder why it does that sometime on some viewers. Unless if a update was happening on some of your software on your computer, that will happen. I noticed that at work. That's why I turn off everything as far as updates concerned. Hey, Bob, which browser are you using? I'm just curious. Jeff, put me in the loop as well. I need to know because I'm going to communicate with these people to fix the site on what we need. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, Google Chrome should be okay. It's that's what I'm using right now to broadcast, and it seems to work pretty good. Oh, okay. I want to try something quickly here, so bear with me for a moment. Wow, this camera is so versatile. Okay, and now we're going to try this. Oh boy, here we go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Sky. Oh boy, here we go. It's going to blow up and Pink Floyd and the whole works on a brand new site. What a shame. Come on. Oh, it doesn't lock on. All right. Not enough stars. No, enough stars. No way. So it's giving us not enough stars. Okay. Let's try Planet. That's a new feature they added. They didn't tell me about this. Holy moly. That's the thing with Planet is the tracking's pretty good. Yeah, if I go on Planet, see, Deep Sky relies on that. But I didn't get that point mount with a 10-inch. Maybe I got too much. I think it's too much weight in there. You're absolutely right. I know what to do. Wow, look at the stacking happening now. Yeah, using Planet. Okay, I know how to fix that. We got to go and lower the saturation, which it is. All right, let's lower the saturation even more. The background's blue, so we still got a little bit of blue sky. And like pollution from Ogdensburg, New York. I've never tried digital binning 4, so. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, Bob, thank you so much for coming over and giving it a test. No, stars. No way. So, all right. Background's not good. A lot of blue in there.